If you're looking to optimize your dust collection setup, the POWERTEC 4-inch elbow dust hose connector offers a simple, effective solution. Its compact 8-inch by 8-inch by 4-inch size fits perfectly in tight spaces while providing an airtight friction fit that keeps dust and debris contained. Made from tough, durable ABS plastic, this connector is built to last through heavy use. Installation is quick and straightforward, so you can get your dust system up and running without hassle. Whether you're redirecting airflow or expanding your hose network, this fitting adapts to your needs with ease. Both ends of the connector are designed for 4-inch nominal hoses, measuring 3 to 61/64 of an inch on the outside diameter and 3 to 3/4 of an inch on the inside diameter. This precise sizing ensures a secure connection that prevents leaks and maintains optimal suction power throughout your dust collection system. What sets this elbow connector apart is its versatility. Use it to change the direction of your hose, up, down, left, or right, or pair it with a 4-inch wide dust hose connector to expand your dust extraction network. This flexibility helps you customize your setup for maximum efficiency and cleaner air in your workspace. Customers praise its performance, especially when paired with a 4-inch flex hose. One user shared how it works perfectly with a DeWalt planer, directing dust away from the exit and keeping the area mess-free. This connector truly helps maintain a cleaner, safer workshop environment. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use fitting that enhances your dust collection system, the POWERTEC 4-inch elbow dust hose connector is worth considering. It's a smart addition that supports powerful dust extraction while simplifying your setup. Try it when you're ready to improve airflow and reduce dust buildup. With its airtight grip and durable build, this connector delivers what you need to keep your workshop clean and your tools running smoothly. Upgrade your dust collection system today with the POWERTEC 4-inch elbow dust hose connector, designed for efficiency, built for durability, and ready to help you work cleaner.